Hello friends, dark circles under the eyes are common, usually harmless, and caused by genetics, aging. They appear as bluish, purple, or brown discoloration. There are two ways to remove dark circles around the eyes. Either within Photoshop or using software that can remove dark circles under the eyes. So, we will look at both methods. First we look at Photoshop to see how dark circles can be removed in Photoshop. So, let's start the video. Here you have to create a blank layer above this image. And you have to change the blend mode of this blank layer to soft light here. Make sure the colors here are black and white. If you press X, the foreground color here will turn white. Now, we will take a soft round brush with a hardness of 0%. Here, the opacity is 100%, the flow is 3%, and the smoothing is 10%. We'll start painting the black circles here. So as you paint, you'll see that these dark circles start to disappear. But, this way you get the impression that you are painting with white. So, the color of the skin is a little different here. You'll have to bring the color of the skin back here. So, to bring back the skin color, we'll create a blank layer here. And, we'll set the blend mode of this blank layer here to color. We choose any color from the skin color here. You can choose the skin color by pressing Alt or pick up eyedropper tool. Sample size can be 3x3 average or even 5x5 average. And all layers in the sample is selected. Or choose the skin tone with the help of brush. And as you paint, the skin color will come back. And if we increase the flow to 5%, this work will be done quickly. This is how we can eliminate dark circles in Photoshop. And now if you look, this image is before, and this is after. Here we did this by creating two layers in Photoshop. If we use a software instead, this software is SkinFiner 5.7.1. With the help of this software, you can eliminate dark circles. You can also smooth your skin in this software. Below here you will see a slider for reduce eye bags. With its help, you can remove dark circles and eye bags. The advantage of this software is that you can install it as a Photoshop plugin. You will click on the icon of this plugin. After that you will click on Browse. Here you will now expand the C drive. Now we have to expand the program files. Here we have to expand Adobe. Now you have to expand your Adobe Photoshop and select Plugins. After that, you will now click on OK. As soon as you click OK, this software will be installed as a plugin in Photoshop. Here I close this software. These are the things we did in Photoshop, so I delete the top two layers. I create a duplicate layer of it by pressing Ctrl+J. And in the filter drop-down menu, you will find the SkinFiner plugin. So this way we can open SkinFiner within Photoshop. And from here we can also smooth the skin. That is, with the help of these sliders we can smooth the skin. But our main goal is to eliminate dark circles. Now if you scroll down, and come to the bottom, you will see the same option, Reduce Eye Bags. Use this slider, to remove dark circles and click OK. And, this is your before image and, this is your after image. The point is that, you can remove dark circles by creating 2 layers in Photoshop. But if you use Skin Finer as plugin of Photoshop, so you can see that the texture of the skin and the color of the skin were not affected. In Photoshop, we had to create a new layer and color the skin. Since we were eliminating dark circles with white, while using this plugin did not affect skin tone. If you liked this video regarding these 2 tricks, then like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.